Hey guys, happy holiday season. It is, well, I'm posting this in November. Right now it is the last couple days of October, and I am making this video because I got a sneak peek or pre-order, whatever you want to call it, of our new holiday bundles, and I am super excited to do. I have this unboxing going on. I wish I had a setup where I could have my face in here and have another camera showing the box and everything, because I really haven't opened this box yet, I promise. But you'll just have to trust me. Trust me. Okay, so Epicure has announced some really exciting holiday bundles just for sale from November 1st to November 30th. While supplies last. They have been very vocal about that while supplies last part, and as we know with what happened with the steamer, things do sell out. So November 1st through 30th, while supplies last, these bundles are available. So as reps, we got to order, pre-order stuff so we could start to play with it before November 1st rolls around. So I'm going to show you what's in this, and by the time I post this, these will be available for ordering, and you can jump in and get your hands on the goodies. All right, so first thing I am excessively excited about. I'm super, I don't know how excited I am about sharing these with Leanne. So there's 2 packets, so I guess we can each have one. 2 packets of the caramel. The caramel is available. I posted months ago the one we got 1 packet of it from a conference, and I ate it and thought it was the most delicious thing I have ever eaten in my life, and I was super upset that we couldn't order it again. It is here briefly during the month of November. I implore you to give this a try. It is amazing. This comes with I should back up the bus. There are 2 bundles or kits. Sorry, there's like a hair floating over my eye. 2 bundles. One is the, I should have had paperwork out with me to get the names right. It's like Jolly Gingerbread set. I think it's called something like that. And it comes with the 2 caramels are that set is what contains these 2 packages of caramel. And the things aren't in the box in order, so I'm not necessarily gonna get the parts from that gingerbread set in order, but another piece that is part of that is this round silicone cake pan. So, round silicone cake pan, 2 packages of caramel, and 2 packages of the gingerbread mix, which I will uncover at some point here. Another thing right here on top I see, I don't know if this is probably showing backwards, skewer maker. So it's another, I'm gonna open this. Let's have a look at it. I mean, who the heck knows? All right, so it comes with 20 bamboo skewers. One time saving aspect of this is that, well, you don't have to fire up the grill, and it's not seasonal where we live for doing that. So that's a bonus. And then you don't have to soak the skewers because they're not gonna be sitting over an open flame. You're gonna load the skewers up with your meats and veggies and set them. There's these little notches to rest these on, and then you'll microwave them just like you do with our multi-purpose steamer, and it'll look, like that. And you can have skewer action there in your microwave. This is these kind of things are pretty amazing ideas for the gift-giving season. Okay, another. I'm gonna set this, so that's the vegetable broth. I'll set that aside because I know what that comes with. The bundle that comes with. What's in here? Got a box. Oh yes, here is the gluten-free, of course it's gluten-free, it's Epicure, everything's gluten-free. The gluten-free gingerbread mix. So there'll be 2 of these with that Jolly Gingerbread kit. And then the sage, I'm just gonna have to break apart the best turkey ever, best Thanksgiving dinner ever kit. Really wish I'd looked up the names of this before I did this, but I know that the sage and apple stuffing and the vegetable broth are part of that best Thanksgiving ever set. And then I wonder if the other parts of that came in the other box. I have another box behind me that I wasn't necessarily going to unbox because it had some other business supplies in it, but I might have to dig the other things out from there. I think I will. So pause on that Best Thanksgiving Ever set because the other parts of it are not in this box apparently. But the thing that I am most excited about is, okay, so when Leanne first saw this, she was like, cheese maker? Who's going to make cheese? And I was also kind of like, who's going to make cheese? But then I was like, well, if I know Epicure, I know that they are making it super easy and something that I can probably handle. So I went ahead and let myself get a little excited about the fresh cheese maker. And then I watched a video of someone making the cheese. And then I was officially excited. So I'll probably do a separate video when I make my first batch of cheese with it. But it's this simple, all right? It has this basket on the inside and the lid. I think this part is for measuring something, if I remember right. Maybe your lemon that you add. Anyway, from what I gather, you put like 2 cups of milk in here, a little bit of lemon juice, whatever seasoning you want. If you want it to be dessert cheese, sweet cheese, you can put our sweet dip mixes like the summer berry or the chocolate truffle, carrot cake, that sort of thing, and make cheese with those, or you can do any seasoning under the sun in there. And it comes with the steps here. So it does say that all you'll need is 4 cups of milk. Make it vegan with soy milk. I have heard that you can't do nut milks because they don't have enough fat. But 4 cups of either cow or goat's milk or soy milk for vegan. And then you need some acidity, so either 2 tablespoons of lemon or lime or 1 tablespoon of vinegar. And then some sea salt and whatever dip mix you want, whether sweet or savory. And then you microwave it and season it and let it sit. Like there's a couple steps. So I'll probably make another video of me making my first batch of that. Might even be later when Elsie gets home because she loves to make things with me. So that's the fresh cheese maker. I wish I had the prices out here. I know it was really affordable, like 19 or 22 or something like that. And then there are 2 sizes of new baking dishes. I believe they're ceramic. This is French. Stoneware. All right. So a 2.5 cup stoneware dish for more of an appetizer. Like put a like a brie wheel in here and microwave it for like whatever that is, 30 seconds. Cover it with whatever dip mix you want and have an awesome, easy, less than 1 minute's worth of work appetizer in this little 2.5 cup baking dish. Another gift idea. And then a much bigger one, heavy, a 8 cup version of that baking dish. Voila. Perfect for your Thanksgiving feast. The green bean casserole is what I believe I will put in here. So that was the first box. Let me see how quickly I can find the pieces from the rest of that. Not in that box. Goodness, this is what happens when you do an actual unboxing is you're not ready. Maybe not. Well, I was looking for the green bean mix. Gotta find it. Oh, wait, hold the phone. It was from this other box within that first box that I set aside, so it did come in that original box. Sorry. So here's the second copy of that gingerbread mix. And this is what I've been waiting for. I don't know why I'm so excited to try this green bean casserole mix. I think it's because I love green bean casserole, and I've always just made it that traditional, cream and mushroom soup, French fried onions, that sort of thing. And I am really looking forward to trying this recipe and seeing how it compares to have the healthier version. Sometimes for Thanksgiving, I'm like, I don't need healthy, but what if it's just as delicious and healthier? So we're gonna find out. So it's just milk, mayo, this mix, green beans, and actual onions versus French fried onions, and you are done. Can top it with the slivered almonds if you want. So 2 packages of that, and then 2 packages of this roast turkey seasoning. So to summarize the best Thanksgiving ever set, it would be 2 of the roast turkey, 2 of the green bean casserole, the vegetable broth, the apple, there we go, sage and apple stuffing, a bunch of, I don't know how many, a few sample sizes of the urban garlic, so you can make urban garlic mashed potatoes, and then recipe cards for said urban garlic mashed potatoes, for rainbow roasted veggies, oh my gosh, gorgeous, and the grocery list for those, for the Thanksgiving dinner on the back. I think there's something on the back of this. Yeah, sage and apple stuffings on the back of that one, and the game plan, the grocery list. Yes, plan all laid out for you. So Thanksgiving bundle, I will post in the comments flyers about it, information on pricing on the bundles, etc. But the best Thanksgiving ever set, the Jolly gingerbread set, and the 4 exclusive limited time bakeware pieces of the skewer set, the fresh cheese maker, the 2.5 cup baking dish, and the 8 cup baking dish. Again, all only available during November. So anyway, like usual, rambling and unprepared, but thank you if you stuck with me to the end. And yeah, happy holidays.